Hi everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to generate a full PowerPoint presentation using Manus AI in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to manus.im or manus.ai. Then log into your account. Once you're logged in and on the dashboard, use the search bar to enter a clear and specific prompt to create a PowerPoint presentation on your chosen topic. After you enter your topic, Manus AI will automatically generate a complete slide deck, including slide titles, content, and even suggested images or charts. You can preview each slide and customize the text before downloading. When you're satisfied with the presentation, click Export or Download to save the file in PowerPoint format. You can then open it in Microsoft PowerPoint and make any additional edits if needed. And that's it. You've successfully created a full PowerPoint presentation using Manus AI in just minutes. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.